नो क्लू आई एम हियर बट मुझे बस अच्छा लगता है टू कम ऑन द इंटरनेट आजकल. सो आई एम हियर अगेन एंड मुझे पता नहीं है मैं किस बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ. आई वॉज एक्चुअली माइंडलेसली स्क्रोलिंग ऑन हियर एंड देयर ऑन द इंटरनेट. So I was like इससे अच्छा है कि let me just sit with my thoughts and maybe make a video. So here I am and also मैंने अपना पंखा वंखा सब बंद कर रखा है तो मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. बट किस क्या बोल रही हो भाई मैं. uh, पंखा बंद कर रखा है तो गर्मी लगेगी यार. गर्मियों का मौसम चल रहा है. सो किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. लेट मी जस्ट स्टार्ट विद व्हाट आई डिड आज. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया वैसे तो. ऑनेस्टली आई हैव मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ वैसे तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. बट बिकॉज आई हैव नथिंग टू डू अदर देन स्टडिंग जो मैं बहुत कम करती हूँ, जो मुझे करने का मन नहीं करता है. आज तो मैंने फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा. एक मिनट. या आई काइंड ऑफ स्टडी टुडे अ बिट ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं ये स्ट्रेट लाइंस पढ़ा था मैंने आज थोड़ा सा. एंड देन वी हैव आई डिड अदर थिंग्स. आई ऑनेस्टली नॉट रियली एनीथिंग इन द रियल वर्ल्ड बिकॉज ऐसा ज़्यादा कुछ करने को है नहीं मेरे को इन द रियल वर्ल्ड इन रियल लाइफ. I don't have any friends like human friends, but but I do have like friends. They're just not humans. My friends are like films and books and uh, yeah, that's that. And writing I do. Writing I was like just writing थोड़ी देर पहले before like starting the YouTube video. इसको रख देते हैं भाई, ये बंद हो जाएगी बीच में. Then I will have to like start recording एकदम beginning से. तो और क्या किया मैंने. Yeah, they're my friends. अभी तो in the real world अभी it's so hot in here. बहुत गर्मी है. पंखा भी बंद है. एक बार बोल दिया मैंने, दूसरी बार क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं. Can I have some water? What do I talk about? Um, so honestly, yeah. First of all, I'm like kind of like getting an engagement on this platform. So and like a few guys have been like commenting. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. You're very very kind. And also, you guys take your precious time to write things in my comment section. That's just means a lot, really. And also, let's just talk about what I did in a day, maybe. And I'll just sarcastically write something in the title of this video. I think if my brain works, कुछ अच्छा सा ढूंढ निकाले लिखने के लिए एकदम sarcastic सा like the greatest video of all time का कुछ करके. I don't know, I'm just like that. What is wrong with me? I don't know why I'm having cough in this इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी में भी. शायद मूवी इफ़ेक्ट. मैं थोड़ी देर पहले लाइक बहुत थोड़ी देर पहले एक मूवी देख रही थी. द एसेंट. इट इज़ probably Belarus. I don't know how you pronounce that. I'm very sorry. Or maybe Russian Soviet movie. It's from Moscow film. It's a studio production. I don't really know, but I feel like it's a studio. So it was that I was watching that. It's set in World War II के टाइम पे and like एकदम freezing winters. I think this cough is an effect of that. पता नहीं कैसे आए तो मैंने छोड़ भी दिया था बीच में because I could not continue watching that. I could not continue watching that because have you ever felt genuine suffocation genuine suffocation from reading or like seeing something. That was my first ever experience. मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है जैसा मुझे इस मूवी के साथ हुआ है. एंड मैंने उसे 10-20 मिनट देख के छोड़ दिया क्योंकि दी आई कुड नॉट टेक दैट मच सफोकेशन. मतलब मैं पूरे टाइम जब तक मैं बैठी थी, एक तो अभी इतनी गर्मियों का मौसम है एंड आई एम लाइक wearing this shit and all. Those men in that freezing winter were wearing layers and layers and layers of clothes, and they were like starving for food. They wanted some food, so like two men इतने ज़्यादा कपड़ों में, like एकदम एकदम like मैं कैसे बताऊँ, layers and layers and layers of clothing, and वो भी like coats and sweaters, वो सब पहन के they were like going in the search of food. दो आदमी in that freezing winter snow में चल रहे हैं, and it's just real, like when you see it you feel the suffocation, and I felt it. And I was like I could, मतलब मैंने 20 मिनट तक ऐसे I tried to stick with the movie, but उसके बाद में I could not, I just could not. मुझसे नहीं देखा गया. एंड ऑल्सो द एंटायर टाइम जब तक मैं मूवी के साथ बैठी थी, आई forgot टू ब्लिंक. मैं भूल गई थी कि मैं लाइक आई वाज लाइक दिस व्हाट द फक, एंड इट वाज लाइक yeah. And other than that, I watched a documentary from 2010, which was The Dancing Boys of Afghanistan. And it was really disturbing to see how those grown ass men treat not only the women there, but also the young children, young little boys, for their entertainment and for their sexual pleasure kind of things. I mean, before this, I used to think that gay men are just so cool. I are so cool, but like after watching this thing, uh, I mean, it's okay if you're gay, okay? But you don't need to hide that shit and do things like whatever you do with those young boys. It's fucking disturbing. Like honestly, Afghanistan पूरा ही एज आप लोग ऊपर से देखोगे, इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल लैंड, इतने खूबसूरत पहाड़ हैं एंड ऑल, बट as much as you dig deeper, itna you will disgust so much and you will be disturbed so much. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? It's so insane. It's so fucking insane. And yeah, I watched that documentary and then I wrote a review on Letterboxd. Honestly, I don't want to say like I could not rate that film. I don't know how do you even rate ऐसी films को. uh, how do you rate these films? uh, I don't know. Like it's not like सारी documentaries के साथ मेरे साथ तो पहली बार हुआ है. मतलब I have watched a few documentaries. uh, ऐसे kind of similar was this one, Which Way Home, which was about like South American countries. South America as a continent में जो South American countries होती हैं, the poor South American countries, वो ऐसे मैक्सिको से वहाँ के लोग, especially like young boys, not only boys, young बच्चे, which includes girls and all. So they travel from their country on railroads illegally to get into America, because they have this thing, uh, you know, your dreams come to life when you are in America. So the American dream, उसके पीछे there are a lot of children, उसका ये सब like it was a documentary about that. I really loved it. But what do I say about documentaries like these? the dancing boys of Afghanistan. It's just fucking concerning. Fucking concerning. And the thing is, the United States and the mainstream media across the world does not want to don't want to cover uh, topics like these. They say they aren't as important uh, as wars, तो इसलिए ये कवर नहीं होते हैं. And also the things which are said in like मैंने अभी जो उस पे दूसरी डॉक्यूमेंट्री की बात करी Which Way Home, that documentary is also about the invisible ones that are neglected by the society, by the mainstream media, and from the eyes of uh, popularity, like ऐसे neglected in the popular media kind of. मैं जो चीज़ कहना चाह रही हूँ, I hope you understand. So that's just insane. It's fucking insane. uh, I don't know where the world is heading. And other than that, uh, I'm just really like disturbed अभी उसके बारे में सोच के. uh, and about the media, जैसे media runs, and everything that's happening in the world भाई. Anyways, what do I talk about? कुछ और चीज़ के बारे में, किसके बारे में बात करूँ? Oh, this again. Again तो क्या मैंने, I think I'm like mentioning this for the first time. Crime and Punishment by Fyodor Dostoevsky. I read a bit of it आज थोड़ा सा, and yeah. You want? Would you like to me to read a bit of it? कुछ तो इसमें से कुछ पढ़ती हूँ मैं इसमें से. Oh, by the way, this book was given to me by one of my friends, and thank you Ishan if you're seeing this. Ishan, thank you. So and actually मुझे ऐसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा unintentionally मिली थी ये book. मेरा लास्ट डे था एट स्कूल, एंड उस दिन एग्ज़ाम हो रहा था. इट वॉज़ उस दिन हमारा हाफ ईयरली का लास्ट एग्ज़ाम था, तो मैं उसी के लिए स्कूल गई थी लास्ट टाइम. अदरवाइज़ मेरा हो गया था स्कूल से पहले ही नाता ख़त्म. बट उस एग्ज़ाम के लिए गई थी, एंड पता नहीं कैसे मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया था, बट लोगों को पता चल गया. बस लाइक टीचर्स को पता था, तो शायद उनसे किसी को पता चला, एंड किसी एंड लाइक बात फैल गई अमंग दी बॉयज़ जो मेरे दोस्त थे. तो ही उस दिन ईशान घर के लिए बहुत पहले चला गया था, एंड बट ही लेफ्ट दिस बुक फॉर मी इन माई बैग. मैंने घर पे आके मुझे पता चला, एंड थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ लेट्स मी रीड समथिंग इसमें से कुछ. Okay. Why should anyone have pity on me? Rejoined he, in an excited tone. Why, say you? You're right. There is no reason why they should. The proper thing is to crucify me, nail me to the cross, and show no pity. Crucify me, judge, but pity me as you do it. I will go to meet my punishment, for I thirst not for pleasure, but for sufferings and tears. It's just, you know, Russian literature. And also इसके अलावा मेरे पास कुछ पढ़ने को है नहीं. I don't really have many books. I do have like a Middlemarch of by George Eliot, but it's a thick fat book, and honestly not really in mood to read uh, George Eliot. I do love George Eliot. She's one of my favorite writers, and also she's the writer who made me fall in love with reading books and reading in general. her and Louisa May Alcott. Also, the writer of Pollyann. Uh, yeah, they introduced me to literature, and also that was my beginning to literature, and also it was classic, so I'm just always grateful for that. But not in these days, I'm not really in mood, and also uh, I don't really like things. And also, I have this one more book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and I have a few other books given my friends gave to me. I don't have friends now. I miss having friends, like in real time. They were the sweetest people. I have quite a few, but they are not Russian literature, so that's it. I'm just into Russian literature. I can't get. Matlab, I have read it a lot, matlab, quite a few times, but I just can't get over it. I reread it, and there's always layers and layers, and it's just the beautiful, such beautiful writing. इतना अच्छे से लिखा है. I don't know, there is no end to this as well. I don't know, it's बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी वीडियो बन गई है, so I'll just stop here. And also, this was such a stupid video. I'm so sorry. Bye. Bye. Thank you.